It's the day before Thanksgiving, and I am making pumpkin pancakes. And no, we do not have any syrup, so I'm gonna be making that too. And then I'm going to be prepping for the rest of the day for tomorrow. And also, I got other things I want to do. I want to clean my lingerie drawer. I want to clean my closet, and I also want to clean my office so I can put up my Christmas tree, because after Thanksgiving, the next holiday is Christmas. So let's get started with the pancakes. So I just finished cleaning up the mess I made from breakfast, and now I'm gonna wrap the smoked ham hocks up. So I'm gonna keep about 4 out and then put the rest away, because tomorrow I'm gonna be making mustard greens. So that means I gotta put some in there, and then, no, that don't make sense. I'm gonna have to cook the 4 and then put the rest away. The bad. Oh my God, it's a bad. I know, I let you guys out kind of late, right? Uh-oh. Excuse me. Don't be. So now I'm in my closet trying to organize through my lingerie. So lingerie is like a big staple of my job. So It's just the fact that my lingerie is looking kind of crazy. Like, crazy. Like, I just have it stuffed in here, and I'm literally afraid to go in here because of it's just discombobulated. Like, look, this is my underwear drawer, lingerie drawer, and I have a champion shirt in there. It's a little collar for my sweater when it's cold. Don't belong in there. But that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go through here, and then I'm going to organize this drawer and basically get things out of it that don't belong in there. Like, I don't know. These are cute underwears. Very cute. I don't really like the way this fits me, I'm gonna be honest. So might have to get that away too. And I don't like the way this flatters me either. This is from Savage. What is this? Oh, this is a turtleneck. See, it's not even underwear. Look. I had these handcuffs for like ages. I want to say probably older than my oldest. How do you... How do you... They're stuck. Okay. Fucking handcuffs like forever. Oh my god. Yes, I am a freak. Don't sue me for it. So I'm in there like this. Okay, I'm back, and this is what my drawer is looking like for now until I can invest into buying more things for this to make it more, you know, cute. But yes, I am. Alright, so yeah, this is like a little thing that I made. I tried to make a cute little chromey like bra, but I ironed it and it didn't stay, so I'm gonna just sew it around, and I feel like it's cute still. So I got this, and then all my lace bras technically here are like pattern lace bras, and push-ups are right here, and loungewear bras are here. And then hi, look, I used to wear press-ons. It's no, my lollipop earring. Look, it's a lollipop. Nom, 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 nom. And then this is my underwear drawer. I know it looks a little sad because I need to wash most of my underwears. But and I have a lot more of these garters right here, or garter belts or whatever like that. And then my thongs are here, and then like my lace or my thigh contraptions or whatever is here. But this is where I used to keep my little like water spray when I had my kids. Trust us, your vagina will thank you. Let's not talk about this. So I thought this would be super cute to have like a little hanging up area. That's because that's what Victoria's Secret does. They hang up their like cute little lingerie, and I think I have like one more left like this. This is actually from Savage, and this is from Amazon. I haven't worn that in like forever. And this is the top of my dresser. So it's a little bit crazy. I broke this. It was glass, but I still like the fact that, you know, I can still put stuff. This is a nipple clamp, and this is a necklace. Perfume. I think I should start bringing my perfume back in here, especially the ones that I'm not using. Yeah, and then this is my grandma's flower that I got from her grave when she died. And she, you know, whatever. Don't talk about that. So it's time to put up the tree. I know you can't see me much. I just got tired of that shirt that just kept coming all the way up. It's supposed to be off the shoulder, and it kept doing what it pleased. So I changed it, and this is what I have on right now, and it's the end of the day. So, and for my afternoon snack, I have a nice coffee and a protein bar.
You know, when they used to shoot my music videos, I had to digitally remove my entire back and my arms and my legs. I looked terrible and I sued everyone. It was embarrassing. Not since I've been using Baby Got Acne Vanity Cream. Baby Got Acne hurts by destroying. Give your man a heart attack because you got acne on your back. But baby got acne. Live acne free. I'm gonna do that over the lyrics. So again, he's got a serious case of the right hand. I don't mind that sort of thing from someone under 90.
Right here. Woo.
Be right there. What?
Okay. So, look at the glasses. Mew Mew. And they're so cute. And I'll be honest, I was so obsessed with her more than Selena Gomez. I'm still mad at it, but I'm not going to decorate it right now. I'm gonna save that for a different time. But it's up. And I need to put lights on it. This is good for now. I kind of want to focus on everywhere because I don't know, it's been a meme going around saying how the front of the tree look compare how the back of the tree look. That's me. I'm guilty all the time for that. But this year I kind of want to take my time and actually put the effort in everywhere. And that's why I'm just going to do one step today, and that's basically fluff it out. Fluff it out, fluff it out, fluff it out. All right, that's off my list. Now I'm gonna probably relax a little bit and head to the kitchen. And I need to feed the pigs before it's time for me to relax. All right, you may not see too much, but I'm out about to feed the pigs. And then after this, I'm going to start my sauce for my apple pie. Honestly, I'm thinking about doubling the sauce since I have a lot. Sound like somebody turned down the thing, and I don't really sound like my husband. But let's feed these piggers. Oh, oink, oink, oink. All right, here you go. Don't knock it down. Oh no, oh no. We need to buy more feed, which probably will be Friday. Do you think the pig feed place will have a Black Friday deal? We never know. But on a good note is that I will be able to get some of the things that I want to get on my Black Friday list. If you don't follow me, I made a Black Friday list of things I want to get as a spicy OnlyFans, Fansly, Chica. So most of the stuff is very cute and dainty. Amazon, I really want 2 things from there, and I think I might get it because I cashed out some money from my Fansly. Wound up being like $50. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm done with that. The only thing that's left, to be honest, is the sweet potato pie. So I'm making sweet potato pie and then making apple pie. And that's all tomorrow. Basically, I prepped enough for me to have to just do a little bit of cooking for tomorrow. But, and about these apple pie fillings, this is my second time doing this. The first time was an epic fail. It was very soupy, but I think I knew what it was. I didn't put a lot of flour because if you're, for instance, when I make like gravy or I forgot what it's called, like gravy or like whatever, you have to add flour to the roux. I'm learning how to cook, and that's what I have to do to make it thick. So it looks decent, and I feel very confident about it. I think what I learned, and that I learn all the time, is that you don't have to do it one time, and you fail, it doesn't mean that's the end of the world. If you don't fail, you're not learning. So I'm gonna just end it like this, and I hope you guys have a happy holidays. I'm gonna try to edit this before tomorrow, or have it out by tomorrow. And happy holidays, and be safe and enjoy. Smooches.